Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we've got another good one for you guys today. We have the outgoing Volkswagen Amarok 2H series that's in here today. Real work, you. Looks like it's seen some real work over the years. Long story short, we're going to get one of our roller shutters on there. We're going to refit the OEM sports bar as well. We've got a lot of people asking questions on how to refit the Amarok's OEM sports bar. Other than that, we're going to get right into it.
Start it up.
to stay alive, I'm eating minerals and vitamins. I tell the times with tales of principles when I begin. It's not very nice and hell, I've seen it all in vitamin. And only time can tell the nights prevail, we slice it thin. I've been a fool and witnessed in the walls are sinking in. Without a pause, I see these intervals all interlink. I'm lyrical, I watch the silver spoon turn into pink. I'm running thin on ink, my tentacles begin to drink. Yeah. So anything could happen. Watch my brother undercover, every hint of passion. Take my number, no more suffering, begin the action. No runners up, don't give up, twist it in a fraction. Rings of Saturn, circling my imperfections. Is this a pattern? Bursting from the indigestion. Big reactions, servicing the intervention. Is this fashion? Gurning at the intersection.
Wishful incidents. Blissful ignorance. Submissive innocence. Until the bad intentions influence.
So I pray to love, I pray to spirit, soak it up and take a minute. Oh, to us we raise the village, switch it up and change the image. And now we up enough to win it, round it up and touch the finish. There's no luck if there's no limit, like. The time is now, I can't give in. I find a sound and let it spin. I run it round a couple times until I find where to begin. I load the sample, pitch it down until we round enough to grin. Then we take time to enjoy it, float through melodies, rhyme and deploy. As I go through memories, I hide with my choice. That's the type of energy defined in my voice. Like, can you hear the clarity withheld in my tone? Somewhat fear the sanity that dwells in my dome.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you enjoy the assembly and fit process of this Amarok manual roller shutter on this outgoing Amarok 2H. We've still got parts for these bad boys, so if you need them, please let us know. Canopies.com.au is the place to get them. While we're at it, so to operate the roller, what you do is you pull first, press the button. Once you press the button, it'll roll all the way forward. If you didn't want it to go all the way, the controller underneath the handle allows you to stop it halfway like so. Very, very straightforward. You can see sports bar refits very, very easily. Got to trim up the base of the sports bar, touch, add the adapter kit, goes right onto the rails, and if you wanted to add additional accessories, you absolutely can. Ladder racks, you can remove the sports bar, add a tub rack, add crossbars if need be. If you want to grab one for yourself, Canopies.com.au is the place to go. Other than that, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We'll see you guys on the next one.